Hello, I'm Michael Levy, President of Arpac, a manufacturer of shrink bundling and case packing machinery. For over 25 years, we have built machines designed for long life and high volume use. A big part of our design process is factoring in safety measures. Our goal is to offer your company a packaging machine you can operate safely and easily. Now that is our vision, but we're not likely to succeed without your cooperation. We believe that upper management, insurance adjusters, and even safety consultants cannot guarantee a safe environment for you and your co-workers. Workplace safety is a personal choice. So please pay special attention to this video and study the safety materials we are offering.
The best way to avoid an accident or injury is by becoming familiar with your equipment. Take a walk around the machine. Notice the warning labels placed on different parts of the machine to identify potentially hazardous areas, such as this one, which indicates a clamping pinch point. Warning labels are placed on Arpac equipment as a reminder to use caution. Never reach into the equipment for any reason while the equipment is running. Hand hazard labels, such as this one, indicate a pinch point or a sharp object that could cause serious injury. This type of label is to let you know that a potentially dangerous moving part lurks on the other side. Covers and guards have been installed throughout your Arpac equipment and need to be in place and properly adjusted before operating the machine. A small label has been placed on most covers as a reminder to reinstall these covers after cleaning or maintaining the equipment. All moving parts, pinch points, and potentially hazardous areas are protected by Lexan doors or mechanical guards. The Lexan doors are equipped with electrical interlocks. When opened, they shut off the air supply, outputs to the motion control devices in the wrapper, and all circuits which cause powered motion. However, they do not shut off the tunnel drive motor, glue gun and tank heaters, seal bar heaters, or any of the tunnel functions. After opening a door, it may take a second for the air to drain out and the drives to decelerate. Do not reach into the machine until all motion has completely stopped. The emergency stop circuit consists of one or more illuminated push-pull buttons. Please familiarize yourself with their locations before turning on your equipment. The emergency stop circuit will shut off the main air supply valve, control circuit and motion control outputs, the seal bar and tunnel heater elements, and all motors. They do not shut off the glue assembly heaters or power to the PLC. Clear all product from the tunnel during any shutdown to prevent the possibility of a fire or explosion. When the e-stop is pressed or the main power is removed, the heater elements in all Arpac applications will remain hot for a period afterward. These components should be handled with caution until a proper cooling time has been allowed. There are warning labels placed throughout the machine to locate these potential hot spots. Thanks to Benjamin Franklin, we can all use electricity, but extreme caution must be taken when high voltages are being used. High voltage labels have been placed on your equipment to indicate unseen electrical hazards. Power supply is enclosed in cabinets that contain additional warnings posted inside the door panel to remind you to turn off all power sources when cleaning or repairing electrical components. This brings us to the lockout-tagout procedure. We advise all users to refer to their company's most updated procedures for clearing jams, cleaning or repairing your equipment. All Arpac equipment comes standard with an electrical lockout located on the main electrical cabinet. Lockout-tagout procedures should be followed by anyone entering the machine for setup, troubleshooting, maintenance, or the removal of guards. All Arpac equipment needs materials such as film to run production, so we would like to point out a few safety measures to take while loading these materials. Loading the film can be done with a jib crane or other lifting device. If lifting by hand, be sure to follow your company's procedures. Also be careful not to pinch your fingers while placing the roll onto the film rack. Threading the film can be a hurried task during production. A metal guard as well as a warning label have been placed in front of the film feed pinch rollers. These rollers are spring-loaded and designed to effectively pull the film from the rack. Therefore, anything that comes in contact with these rollers can and will be pulled in as well. Glue tanks, hoses, and guns are always hot in any application, so make yourself familiar with their locations. It is essential not to come in contact with these items. While refilling the tank, you need to be aware that the molten glue is usually around 350 degrees and can splatter if not refilled properly, so please follow your company's procedures for this process. Arpac safety features are designed into the machine per customer specifications at the time of the order. Additional safety options that can be added to the machine include e-stop ropes that wrap the entire machine, specialty guard door switches, airline lockouts, and additional lockouts for all motors.
In the last few minutes, we have highlighted many of the safety features which are built into your Arpac machine. But as you might expect, with any sophisticated machine, safety mechanisms alone cannot completely eliminate risk of injury. Arpac urges you to do your part, be familiar with your equipment, and alert when operating it. Together, we can succeed in making your packaging objectives easy and safe.